Now, a white handkerchief said to be the one waved during the surrender on Moore Street in the 1916 Rising has been sold at auction to a private buyer. There had been calls for the state to buy the artefact, which, after a lengthy bidding process, went for over 4 times its guide price.
At the Fonzie Mealy auction house in Castlecomer, Kilkenny today, business was being done at breakneck speed. On offer over 1,000 items, many of them of Irish interest, and of all the collectibles, one in particular, lot 817, was causing a stir. This white linen handkerchief, believed to be the one waved on Moore Street by Captain Michael William O'Reilly, signalling the volunteers were surrendering the Rising over. Today's estimate was for between 10 to 15,000 euro, but when the bidding started, it quickly took off.
At 15,000 euro, 16,000 euro, 16,000, 17,000.
Eventually selling for over 4 times the guide price.
We sell at 62,000 euro. Thank you very much.
There seems to be still a great appetite for the Republican material if it's first class.
What about the 62,000 figure? Are you surprised?
We are surprised.
It was later confirmed that it was sold to what was described as a private buyer. Disappointment for those who had earlier called for the state to acquire it.
This is a very costly piece, but it doesn't belong in someone's living room. This belongs in a public building where everyone in this country and everyone who visits this country can interface with it and enjoy it.
Measuring just 16 inches square, this piece said to have had a big part in Irish history. Conor Hunt, RTE News.